Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today we are going to repair this Samsung 32-inch smart LED TV with the fault sound, backlight okay, no picture problem. See friends, while tapping on the display you can notice that the panel backlight is flashing. So here actually the problem is with the display. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting and gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the right side or left side of the glass panel. If both sides gate signals are short, then it's difficult to repair. If shorting is in any one side of the glass panel, then we can repair it using a temporary fixing method. See friends, finally here we open the TV back cover. See, this TV comes with a single COF Samsung panel with SM4186 Dc IC here. Due to internal shorting and gate signals, the panel DC IC goes to protection mode. Because of that, it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages like vgh vgl etc. So here we are going to first cut the right side gate signals. These are the gate signals from right side and left side respectively. After cutting right side gate signals, if picture comes, do nothing. If picture doesn't come, then rejoin all the cut tracks and perform same operation on left side. If shorting is in any one side, then picture will come. If both sides gate signals are short, then panel replacement is the only solution. See friends, here finally after cutting right side gate signals, now picture comes. But always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.